welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I am cooking a sizzler pan pizza in the Ooni Karu pizza oven with a gas burner. I'm just heating up the stone now to get it to be just hot. I haven't heated the sizzler pan up first before I put the pizza dough in. I'm going to try it a different way this time because I've always found it just burnt my hands, and I just found it quite hard to do to put pizza dough into a boiling hot sizzler pan. So I'm going to try it with the sizzler pan cold, so I'm just heating the oven up right now. Okay, so I've made the pizza, and I think now that the oven is sufficiently hot, I'm going to put the pizza in. Okay, you doing all right? It's the first time I've used the sizzler pan in the Ooni Karu, and it fits really nicely. So what I'm going to do is turn it down because I can see at the back it's going to burn. I've turned it down to low, and I might bring it just forward a little bit more. Yeah, I've got on low at the moment, low gas in the Ooni Karu, however you call it. I've got it on low. I think that's just right actually. So I'm going to keep an eye on it and turn it round when I see the crust cooking on the back. Lovely smells coming out of here. Okay, it's not a deep pan in that I've not layered it up immensely, because I find that's kind of enough for me. Some people like it like all the way to the top, but this is a big pan. I'd make a smaller, deeper one, so I'd use my other sizzler pan if I was going to make it deep. This is like a non-deep, thin pan pizza. I think I might turn it. That was easy with these gloves. Coming up to 3 minutes. You see the chorizo's cooking nicely at the top. I'm going to give the turn the pan around that way. So you can see the bit that's cooked facing me there. I just think this sizzler pan fits so nicely in here. It's perfectly sized to fit in this oven, so that's a good thing. I can use it a lot more in this oven. Great. That's crusting up nicely at the back there. Just turn it so it's coming up to nearly 5 minutes. And if you do have any bits of like, I tried not to get any of the dough over the top because it does tend to just like burn like that. Try and keep it inside. It's really difficult to get the dough to stick on the edges of this pan when it was cold. The chorizo's cooking really nicely in there without burning. I was going to use pepperoni, but I realised I didn't have any. So chorizo's just as good for me. I like the taste of both of them the same. Cooking on low does give it a bit of a nice cook without burning. Get my board ready because I just want to check. I think that side is the only bit that's not been cooked. I think it's cooked. It's been 6 minutes, so it should be cooked. Ooh. That's done. So it's cooked the chorizo lovely, and it's given me a nice crust. Give that a try. Very nice, very tasty. I like the way it's cooked it. But yeah, it's lovely, delicious. If you're a sizzler pan fan, I don't make it that often. I'll make a deep pan version in my smaller sizzler pan because I think that's like enough for me. I just wanted to try out this pan in the Ooni Karu, see if it fitted, see how it cooked. The toppings all came out really nice, very, very nice. And I like the way that it's cooked the crust. It's really tasty. It's given a nice crust cook without burning it. It was very nice and very easy to make. And you can put whatever you want on there. I'm going to put mushrooms on there next time, and a lot more cheese, and maybe layer it, but I'll do that in my other pan, so I'll try that one out next time. So hope you're okay, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.